What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Amber Victoria. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. So today I am doing a little unboxing for my TELFAR bags that I got during the security bag program number 2, I believe. So I got 2 bags, you guys. We're gonna jump right into it, okay? So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have a TELFAR bag, if you want a TELFAR bag, like this video. Comment below which bag you have or which one is your favorite, which size is your favorite. Okay, I got a mini or a small and a medium, but let me know what's your favorite because they got all the colors on it. So let me run it back to when I got this shit. It's been so damn long ago. If you're not familiar with the security bag program, how it works is you're able to pre-order any fucking bag that they have, right? But you won't get it until months and months later. So yeah, they give you an estimated time of when your bag will be shipped out or whatever. So let me see, I ordered it on March 30th. The program ran from like for a day or 2 days. Then you could just go in there, order whichever bag you wanted, pre-order. Like, it didn't sell out because, you know what I'm saying, it's a pre-order, made to order, whatever. So I ordered it on March 30th 2021, honey. It did not get delivered like on my doorstep until August 26th. So I believe their shipping was estimated between July and September or something like that. That's what they originally said. So it did come when it said it was gonna come. Some people get there sooner than others. It just depends. So yeah, that's how that program works, and that's what I did, and I would do it again if I want another bag. But right now I'm good with these 2. So let's talk about what bags I got and how much it costs. It's the small black bag. I have worn this bag already, you guys, but I still keep it in the duster when I'm not using it. So it has been worn like I didn't wear it until October, honestly. I got it in August, but I didn't wear it until like October. And it's only November, so I haven't worn it that much. So the bag security program is not a sale. It's just an opportunity for people to order their bags because they're always fucking sold out. So it gives you a chance to order the bag that you want, and you'll get it later on, you know, months later. So it wasn't a sale. It cost $150. All their small bags are $150. Yeah. So I really needed a small black bag because my other black bag is just ugly. So this one is cool. It came bent like this in the duster, so that's why that is there. I don't know why they did that. Like, why would y'all bend the bag? Why would y'all bend the bag? And my big bag is bent too. I wish the symbol was on both sides. I already knew that it wasn't, but I just wish it was. So you have the long strap that you can wear on your shoulder. You have the hand strap. Unfortunately, you can't take the long ones off when you wear the hand strap. So it's just like this. You're walking around with it like this. Maybe you could try tucking it in, but that's gonna take up space and you already ain't got a lot of space. So they have this little flap here with TELFAR on there. There is no pockets. I wish there was just like that one little pocket that's right up here. I just need that one little pocket, but they don't have no pockets in this bit, okay? It's just, can y'all see? Nothing's in there. The size of it, you know, it's like the size of your hands. And when I put it on my, I'm about to fall trying to do this for y'all. It's like right here by my hip bone. That's my fat ass. And when I go out, I can get what I need in here, honestly. I got my phone, I got a lippy, I got a pack of gum, I have my compact mirror. If I'm going out, I need my driver's license, card, whatever. Some cash, you just have to throw it in there. And there is a little button on the top, thank God, because I'd be scared my shit gonna fall out. But once I put all my stuff in there, it's really hard for me to close that button. Okay, it closed. So yeah, now the button is closed. I love it. I like it. I'm happy with it. All right, let's look at big girl over here. What color y'all think I got? Ooh, I was trying to get a color that I don't already have, so this is why I got this color. So I have not opened this at all. Like, I've looked in to see, make sure it's right, but I haven't like taken it out, worn it, nothing. So this one you guys will really see how it came. So this is how it came in a little plastic bag that says TELFAR established 2005 NYC. Then the duster, orange. I got the orange one. I got the orange one. So see what I'm talking about? They been in the bag. Why the fuck? Who? What sense does that make? Why would you do that? Let's try to straighten her out. This bag is $200. So I paid a total of $352. I guess the 2 is from tax or something. I don't know. This is my first time really looking at her. Open her. At least this one has a pocket. So it has a tag on it. These mother straps, I tell you, get in my way. Goddamn, about to knock me out. Okay. There's the inside. Let me see how deep the zipper is. Okay, it's deep. Pretty deep pocket. And that's all that's inside, honey. That's it. Just the inside of the bag. I wonder if I can. No, that's uncomfortable. It's too small to do that. I mean, it seems like okay quality. I just don't like the fucking bend in the bag, bro. So it comes down to, girl, I got to stand up. Y'all, it almost comes down to my knees. The bottom of the bag almost comes down to my knees. Let me stop playing. Let me see if I can get y'all a better view. So she comes down pretty far. I don't really like that. I would prefer it was like maybe like up here. But I'm walking. I guess it's not that bad. Oh shit. We can go crossbody on them hoes. We can go crossbody. Yeah, we can go crossbody for sure. Okay. But I mean, who wears a big ass bag crossbody? You could though. I can't wait. I can't wait to put some junk in it. Let me put some junk in it. So now I put a little something in there. See how it looks with something inside of it. I feel like a mail lady with this big ass bag crossbody like this. Once you put your stuff in it, the bend kind of goes away, but it's still fucking there. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.